Hello dear parents, welcome back to our #_goodlife channel. So till the time you will get this video, I think it will be a little bit late, but still tomorrow being a Diwali, I wanted to share this video so that you can try this video tomorrow at least with your kids in the morning time, and I'm sure they're gonna love this, the craft works. So first I'll be sharing with you the diya decoration. Second, I will share with you candle holder. So this is a very simple task, and this I have learned from her school, so thank you to the school. And then I will help you out with this kind of greetings card, one happy Diwali greetings card they can make, and then the Laltan thing which I will share with you. So first we have to take this kind of poster colors. I am using of Faber-Castell, and this, trust me, it is very good. So ask your kid whatever the color they want to choose. I am using the sponge painting for this diya painting. You can use any kind of paint brushes also. The paint brush, in the same way you have to use how they do the normal painting. I have shared one video where she was painting the seashells in the same way. Sponge painting also like this they can do, and I'm very sure the kids will love the sponge painting as well. So this kind of poster colors will help you out to give a very prominent color. So try this out with your kids. Allow your kid to paint the whole. It'll be a little bit messy, but it is a Diwali time. It is a craft time, so let be a little messy. It's okay. So whatever they are doing, appreciate it after every work. They do want that we should appreciate them. In the same way, here I am doing both the colors. You can give this kind of bigger sponge also, or a small sponge, which in my last clip it was there in the same way. After the painting is done, keep it for dry for some time, and after that, here we have used felt, and all whatever it was there at home, I have used those things only. So whatever is available at your home, use those things, like stars or any kind of smiley also you can put. I am using here, like the bindis I have used here, that also you can keep. I had this kind of small round bindis, that also I have used. After that, just to give a little bit glittering touch, here I have used this kind of silver color paint. She is having one, so that we have used with the help of brush only on the edges. I have asked her to do that. Whatever the way the kid have done, that is all which is good. If it is not neat also, that is also fine. Overall, it will be a very good experience for the kid. So after diya, let's move on to the candle holder. So thank you for her school, Intli, where she got introduced with this candle holder. She loved the craft. So here what basically we have to do is, one cardboard we can take, you can take any CD also, and then first paste with the help of this Fevicol, paste one bangle. You can take a glass bangle or a plastic one. I have used here plastic one, so that if it gets break also, she doesn't get hurt. So like this, apply, let the kid apply the Fevicol. They will have some their confidence it will build. And after it is done, ask them to put the bangle over it. So like this, the same step we will follow till the required height you get. So I am using over here 5 bangles, as the thickness of bangle is also a little bit more, and it's totally depend on you what the height of the candle holder you want. So this much is fine for me. So we are done with it, the first step. Now we were moving towards the decoration of this candle holder. So I had this kind of zari with me, which I will apply like this. How we are doing over here, like this we will apply. With same like how we have applied the Fevicol. With the help of Fevicol, we will do like this. So we have applied it, and I had some kundan kind of thing, so this just for show I have made. Now the the side part we have cut it like this, and it became our key holder. So the candle holder is ready. Second candle holder, with the help of this kind of kundans, I have just decorated. Whatever the way you want to decorate, you can decorate this. This will be very very pretty looking and very simple, and the kids loved this activity. Now let's move on to our third craft, which is a Diwali greetings card. And this Diwali greeting card, I have taken her drawing sheet and one simple A4 size sheet I have taken, and here I have asked the kid to stamp on the paper. So we had a stamp over here that I am asking here to stamp. If you don't have this kind of stamp, what you can take some watercolors or the poster colors, and then you can take any vegetable like lady finger, you can take onion, carrots, just cut it and ask them. So one vegetable printing video I have shared with you, one activity, you can check out that video. So like this, the whole page they have to do the stamping work, and once the stamping work is done, we will move on towards our diya making. So the whole stamping work is done for our greetings card. Now moving towards the diya making. So we have to take this kind of small paper strip also you can take, and then you have to do like this, like how we make a fan kind of thing. So once, and then again the opposite side. So the whole paper we have to do like this, and once it is done, you will get this kind of, yes, so like this you will get. Okay, now we have to fold it. So how exactly we have to fold it, let's see. So like this we have to keep it, and on the top just apply the Fevicol in the corner so that you can paste it together. So like this, how many diya you want to make, this flower diya you can make. So I have made like 6 kind of things, and like this paste it over it, just whatever the glittering kind of, if you have, or as any yellow color paper you can use for the law. Now we will move towards the Larten craft. So for this, here we are using red color marble paper, and ask your kid to fold it properly, and then we have to cut it into strips. So how we have to do it, like this. So once this strip cutting is done, then open it and fold like this, the opposite direction. So we have folded it, then in the opposite direction we are folding it like this. So on the corner side, apply some glue, or else Fevicol also you can apply. You can ask your kid also to apply, so that they will get some confidence and they will also enjoy the activity. So like this we have to apply the glue, how my kid is doing. In both the sides you have to apply the glue in one side, and then turn like this and paste it in both the sides. And our Larten is ready. So like this the Larten is ready. Let's see first. Yes, so like this, and how it is done. Yes, so the Larten is ready over here. You can make a handle for the Larten. So take this kind of and then put it over here. So our Larten with the handle is ready. Now Diwali is incomplete if you don't have any kind of sweets. So this is a no flame cooking, very simple recipe which the kids can make their own. So let's see what is this. So this is a chocolate peanut bhel. How to make that? You have to take this kind of puffed rice, put some peanuts in that, ask your kid to mix it properly. If they want both hands to use, you can ask them that they can use both the hands. Like this they have to do. Then apply little bit of chocolate syrup over it. If you don't have chocolate syrup, if you have jaggery syrup, that also you can use. If you don't have that also, then you can use some tomato sauce, that also you can use, and then ask them to mix it properly. When they are using their hands for this activity, this also is developing their fine motor skills, and also they are understanding how the texture is of the puffed rice or the texture of peanut and the sauce. So this is our chocolate peanut bhel is ready over here, and the kids will surely love this activity. Try out with them.